And we go over to Hanover, where our reporter, Kimberly Petty, spoke with a resident who lost her home.
I am in Phoenix Town, Hanover. Behind me, as you can see, is a house that would have collapsed. So TVJ News understands that there were 4 persons living in this, which was once a dwelling. 2 children, one 13 years old and the other just 1 year old. So looking at the equipment and all the things that would have been in this house, the furniture, I am seeing a television. There's a gas tank behind me. I have seen uniforms, books, and which is a clear indication that this family will need help starting over again. We spoke to the owner of this dwelling and she gave us further details as to what would have transpired.
Disaster, house gone, fire gone, my shop front, the house front on us again gone off.
Where were you when the house collapsed?
Now I'm building up there, sir, for my son.
So is it that you were worried that it would collapse, so you would have evacuated and went to your son's house?
Yes. Yeah, man. We was trying to move out, you know. So we have to move out.
What you heard while Hurricane Melissa was making landfall yesterday?
But I'm not going to make them the sound. I said no rain. I'm brave.
Were you scared?
Yeah. Everybody have been scared.
So when you came out and saw that your house was flat, talk to me about yourself.
You must feel it. Yeah, man, I feel it say gone, you know. Yeah,
How
man.
many persons were living in the house?
3, 4.
Any children?
Yes.
How many?
2.
So you're saying to go back to school anytime soon, you will need some help?
Yes.
What age group?
13 and 1.
So come now, give me an appeal, you know, to the country, to the government. What do you want to take to start all over?
Want back money to build back one house.
Melissa really deal with the wicked and drastic around here, you know. You can see it. Road black, you can't even get to go where I go. Black in and out right now.
In all its glory, here in Phoenix Town, Hanover. But the residents are not shining at all, as they are devastated by what would have transpired yesterday into last night. Many have lost their homes, many have lost their livelihood, and so they're looking at how they will pick up the pieces and continue with their lives. Reporting here in Phoenix Town, Hanover, I am Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.